different lights and stuff, huh? And a smaller panel too. Cool, they put bottle caps and stuff in here. Here's the first light going in. Oh yeah, this is easier to do, I think, huh? Back in those rooms, I'm sure it is dark, dark, dark. But here's a pretty nice door.
You see these kids now?
Yeah.
Yeah, they can start, you know, with good lights. You know?
Yeah.
I enjoy already shule. Unimo? I enjoy my guy. Tunaiga kwa ajili ya kusoma.
Light. Hey, there it is. First light.
Kawaida tunachomekeza hapa sijui tunachomekeza hapo takali radio takali simu ushamaliza
Tete mpe simu yako
simu hapa sio bila chaji kuna hifadhi
Oh, that's what that's for up there.
Umeelewa?
Hii hapa umeona hii hapa hivi hii ni solar ni panel hii ya ndio hii hapa sio ile ndio hii panel kwa hiyo hii ya sebuleni ile pale ya nje ya chumbani kwa kule.
So that's the light switch for the other room.
Yeah. Switch ya room
iko hii hapo ni ya nje.
Ai ya nje.
Ya nje alafu ya chumbani kule hivi.
For up here.
Okay.
For that light right there. A teeny tiny solar panel is gonna keep them going. And look at these. Here's this acacia tree with the weaver birds. So these guys weave grass.
Very much. Now his kids are getting lights. We are usually using kerosene. Studying kids use kerosene are terrible. From today, our children are having lights. May God bless you, Scott. May God give you a lot of energy and to help other people like me. Thank you so much.
So no more spending money on kerosene too.
Yeah. How do tumia tena kerosene? Mingure tu mafuta. So yeah, good. Asante. Yeah. Wow. Beneficiary of solar. Can see. Oh, okay. Nice.